So, update in Thailand. I'm on a motorbiking trip to Pai, and I came from Chiang Mai. This is my motorbike here with all of my stuff on it. I've got my purse in the front with all my cameras, my umbrella, and my backpack. And this is cutting down to half the luggage. So, they told me that there's 1,200 curves on the way to Pai in the mountains, which is where we are. But lucky for me, I like curves. So it's a gorgeous ride. It's very green and lush, and I think we're about 70 kilometers away now. And it's gorgeous. And I am almost up at the top of the mountain. This is the road I'm on, and everything's going great. I have about 40 more kilometers. No, maybe 50. I'm trying to ride my motorcycle and film. Maybe that's not such a good idea. And it smells like pine trees. So I'm almost to Pai, and look at the gorgeousness. Oh my God. So look how gorgeous it is. Oh my God. So I got my riverside cottage. Here's the bridge from this end. Doesn't look too reliable, does it? Nice people fishing. It's beautiful. So 1,200 curves later, I have a nice place by the river, and it was 1,200 curves. Oh my God, that took about 6 hours, but it was beautiful. And now look, I'm crossing this scary bridge, and it doesn't seem like it's gonna hold me. You can see the river below. Oh my God.